What are emotional distress damages in a personal injury case? Hi, I'm attorney Justin Elsner. I'm a personal injury attorney. So the term emotional distress is a very broad term, and a lot of people think it encompasses everything under the sun. But really we have a few situations where it applies and a few where it doesn't apply. So generally in my practice, when we see personal injury cases that involve emotional distress, it's because the person was in a car accident, or maybe they had some fall incident, and now they have the repercussions of that associated with physical treatment. So now they're getting physical treatment for the neck pain, back pain, knee pain, leg pain, and they're also suffering emotionally from that too. And so that looks like a loss of enjoyment of life. So maybe they can't enjoy their hobbies, their running, their bicycling, things like that. They miss out on vacations. You also have other impact of just kind of the embarrassment of it, the stress of it, there's the difficulty of enjoying life because of that pain. So you have constant pain, and now when you're at your birthday party you really aren't enjoying it because you're just thinking about the pain. And the holidays, maybe you can't help with cooking the family dinner, and so now you're really frustrated about that, depressed about that. So that's generally where we see emotional distress damages in personal injury cases. And generally in Washington, you need that physical injury associated with your emotional distress. Now, there are situations where you could not have a physical injury and have emotional distress, but they're usually rare. So if you have situations where somebody cuts you off in traffic and now your heart's racing, you're frustrated by that, they almost hit you, they could have killed you because of it. Well, yes, absolutely, you're going to suffer emotional distress from that, but the law is not going to recognize something like that generally for recovery purposes in court. Where you can see emotional distress damages where you don't actually have a physical injury is on something extreme, where let's say somebody is holding onto your kid and they're beating them with a stick and they're making you watch that. So obviously you're not suffering a physical injury, but you're being forced to watch it, and so that would be somebody essentially intentionally trying to cause you this great emotional distress without actually physically injuring you. And so obviously situations like that are pretty extreme and pretty rare, and the court has done that on purpose. That they don't want every little event where somebody gets frustrated, stressed out, where there would be recovery, where there's a lot more lawsuits related to that. And so where our focus is on is people who've been physically injured in some sort of car accident, pedestrian accident, and then as a result of that, they also suffer emotional distress. And so if that is a situation that you're in and you have some more questions about that or need help with bringing your claim against the insurance company, do feel free to reach out to us. We're happy to explore that further with you.